sabi nila na mamamatay tao ako, baka talaga. Ang hiningi ko lang, stop. And I will fix government. Corruption must stop. If I'm into the presidency for 2 weeks, tapos walang maniwala sa akin, walang susunod, then even if you give me 10 years, I will not be able to do it. Pero ako kasi sabi ko, ordinaryong tao lang ako, ayaw kong mapahiya. Kaya pag sinabi kong huminto kayo. And for those really, alam ko na, I have one word for all of government dito sa Pilipinas. Stop. S-T-O-P. Just stop. Just obey the law. And for the civilians, wala kong hingin. Sabi nila, may extrajudicial killing. It's not that, it's really the interest of the country. Gagawin ko po yan. I will stop corruption, walang droga, kung maaari lang, maubos ko. Pati tao, okay lang sa akin, sabay na sa droga.